the weight of Tom is 20% more than that of John. It is given that Tom weighs 60 kilograms. Part A, find the weight of John. So many students find this type of question kind of confusing. So let's draw a diagram to have a better understanding. So this is the weight of Tom, and this is the weight of John. It's given that the weight of Tom is 20% more than that of John. Okay, and it's given that Tom weighs 60, so 60. Okay, so part A, the easiest way to calculate the weight of John is to let A unknown, set up A unknown. Let X be the weight of John. Okay, now the weight of John times 1 plus 20 is equal to 60. And it makes sense because a smaller number, this is a smaller number, right? This is a smaller number. And this expression magnifies the number, so it gets to a larger number. And because John is X, we set a unknown called X. X is definitely smaller than 60. So this formula it makes sense. So X at the end is 50. Okay, so we need to say that the weight of John is 50 kilograms. Okay, so part B, the weight of Susan is 20% less than that of Tom. Are Susan and John of the same weight? Explain your answer. Okay, there's a new person called Susan. Okay, and it has a weight 20% less than Tom. Okay, now this time we don't need to set up a formula with unknown, because the answer is very straightforward. So the weight of Susan is 60 times 1 minus 20%. Okay, and to make sure that is correct, we can check it actually. And because the weight of Susan is actually smaller, right? We can tell in the diagram because the weight of Susan is smaller than Tom's. So this kind of equation is right. Because you see, a bigger number, this is a bigger number, right? And this expression makes the 60 smaller. Okay, so yeah, so the weight of Susan ends up being 48. Okay, 48 kilograms. Therefore 48 is not equal to 50. The weight of Susan isn't equal to the weight of John, so the answer of this question is no.